one and your name is Sipho and you know you had a colored girlfriend, hey, come back, father.
Sipho. My brother now they. Hey,
Yay!
Hans are already now.
That's my ex-girlfriend.
Hey!
Oh my God.
And I know she will try and deny it because she's on another level now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I used to shop those bundas, my brother.
Hi, bro!
Yeah, I used to. And then when she got fame now,
Yeah, you know these people.
Boring. She doesn't make time for me. You know, like nah.
Nah, you know
Then I approached the time.
you don't know, brother. See, no. So
Oh yeah.
Everybody had Tommy.
I used to have Crocs, the white ones.
Yeah, I used to have Bovas as well.
What do you mean by that statement?
At school.
Hey Joe, nah, she's not from here.
Oh.
That's why I mean I'm not busy with no girls, my brother. If you check properly, I just look and compliment and then I don't approach. Oh, no, that's my friend.
It could be a man.
What?
Nah, no, it's not that. Bam, it's your boy Scott from the Boycott SEOTT from 1246 to the Vibes. Welcome to VSOP Vibescape Origin Podcast. I chill with my people.
Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Washika Hammond. Wow, you interrupted my intro. Sure. Okay. Never mind, go. Ladies first. Ladies first. He interrupted me.
Go ahead.
You can consider it's fine.
It's okay, I just wanted to say my beautiful name, Washika Hammond. Yeah, guys, that's about it.
Yeah. I go by the name of Bayede.
Hey.
That was good.
Yeah, boy.
Nice guys.
Wow. Ashika.
Yeah.
What does the name mean?
Washika. Like, when I was grade 6, my grade 6 teacher gave us all this pamphlet singing with the meaning of a name and a letter saying goodbye. And so, they stood like, Washika means a follower of God. And when I was grade 6, I read it as the flower of God. Hey, because you know, like, reading skills wasn't up to it. Yeah, but it's the follower of God. The follower of Christ, the follower of God.
By Tongos.
Yeah, I buy it. It's simple.
What does it mean?
All hail the king. The king that I refer to is Yeshua. Yeah, it's Jesus Christ. Yeah, so yeah, that's where the name comes from.
Again, your name's Scott?
And you, my brother, this one calls me Scott's Mapoom.
Oh, sorry.
Stop Mapoom, man. Come from Travis Scott.
Oh.
Travis Scott.
Oh, he thinks you look like Travis Scott.
I look like no.
No, I'm asking if he thinks that you look like Travis Scott.
That's it,
That's
a name.
Just come from Travis Scott, bruh. It's my father.
Nah.
Role model.
Nah.
It's my role model.
Okay.
Travis Scott, yeah.
Your daddy.
Scott.
Your daddy.
Travis Scott. So I'm Scott.
He's looking at me ignoring the
Scott sauce.
question.
Hey, it's not my home. If that bro, my teacher.
Okay, so tell us what your name means.
Scott.
The meaning. No, your real name.
We're talking about real names now. Yeah,
Real names.
Yeah.
Okay, you don't have to say it, but say what it means. Like, because we all say what it means.
Just get the concept.
It means Batini born.
How am I supposed to know what it means? Shit.
I saw there. What's that? What's your Tswana one?
Salasimhle. It means goodbye. It comes from my Tswana father. Hey, he ran away. But at the time, we didn't know what it meant. My mother, she was illiterate, you know. She didn't understand Tswana. And then he was giving a message. He was saying goodbye, yeah. Trauma. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Are you being sarcastic?
No, it's a touching story.
Are you being sarcastic?
No.
Because it's my trauma, okay?
No. Don't. Yeah.
Daddy, if you see this, I'm still looking for you.
Yeah,
Did he come back?
See, I'm sent for us.
Yeah, guys.
No.
He went to buy milk and didn't come back.
Yeah, he didn't come back.
You see now, he's not doing good.
Mara did.
Yeah.
Yeah, it means goodbye. He was saying goodbye to me. Yeah.
Yeah. Man.
So if you're Tswana and your name is Sipho and you know you had a colored girlfriend, hey, come back, father.
Sipho. Sipho. Aye.
Man, how is it Sipho?
That's my father's name.
Is he Tswana?
Yes.
But his name is Sipho.
Yes. That's what my mother told me.
Nah.
You saying my mother's a liar?
Your mother is not telling you that.
Oh, so you're gonna be family lies now?
No, I'm just saying.
God.
There's no truth in this.
No truth, huh?
No, it can't be. Sipho.
Yes.
And then when Asala simply.
Yeah. He was giving a message. He was like, I'm leaving you. I'm saying goodbye. I'm not coming back.
Brother, can't you say you're performing this week? Ne?
Yeah, bro. I'm performing this week at Palace. The Palace, ne?
Yeah, the Palace,
Yeah,
whatever.
It's the freshers activation kind of thing, because freshers are the.
My brother now, they also now they. Hey,
Yay!
Hans are there now. My brother, you have to perform now.
Hey, bro.
You're gonna come and support. You're gonna come and. You don't like.
I'm not going.
Why?
I'm going to Freshers.
She's shy.
I'm saying, I'm not shy, excuse
Shy,
you.
no,
I'm not shy.
It's not your vibe.
Yeah, it's not my vibe. I'm gonna download me some movies and watch TV.
No. Freshers, though.
freshers.
You're writing now.
Yeah, we are
To
writing.
do
Yeah,
something now.
stressful.
Yeah.
Nah, me, my brother, I'm gonna come.
Yeah, bro, you have to pull through, dog. It's
I have
gonna
to
be
know which
epic.
songs you gonna.
Yeah, you just have to show me the videos.
You see now.
Gonna video
You
call
must
you.
pull through, you must
Gonna
be
video
there.
call you.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
says,
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Wait.
you must be there. You should support the brand.
what is Uncle Waffles? What is Uncle Waffles?
That's my ex-girlfriend.
Hey!
Oh my God.
And I know she will try and deny it because she's on another level now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that used to be my
And the reasons he's coming is to see you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She said she met me the other day. So.
Angele.
Yeah, Uncle Waffles.
Angele.
Yeah.
Yo, I used to keep it with her, bro. Yo.
Used to sharpen those bundas, my brother.
Hi, bro!
Yeah, I used to. And then when she got fame now,
Yeah, you know these
sudden
people.
boring. She doesn't make time for me, bro, you know, like, nah.
Nah, you know
And then
these
I
people.
approached the Tyler, you know.
My brother, you're operating you.
Tyler.
Guys, by the way, forgive me with the language ish. I'm an operator. I watch Open Chess podcast like every week.
Yeah.
So excuse the language. Excuse the
I'm
language.
so lost.
It's not coping. Do you know Open Chess podcast?
No.
You don't.
No.
Which
You're
one is that
judging.
one?
Open Chess. You don't know brother C. No. So
Oh, yeah.
Viva.
That's the coolest
No, I don't.
podcast I told you. Yeah, I know those guys.
I only watch
Yeah.
like one person
Yeah.
on YouTube.
Which one?
Edwin Bukasa, do you know him?
Do you know him?
EB.
EP.
EP.
EB the kid.
No.
You don't know EB?
What's
No.
that?
Ah, you don't know EB? You play.
Does Evie know me? See?
Let why?
You don't know EB?
Nah.
Do yourself a favor and go search him tonight.
EP the kid.
Yeah, you know him, right?
No, I just said
Never know.
EP the kid.
No.
EP the kid. Nah.
I want us to touch on something. Yeah, there's a lot of topics to unpack,
Sure.
but I just want to start here.
Cool.
Because I'm into fashion also, apparently. Yeah, well,
Nice.
it's just, and that is why I don't like to classify myself or consider myself a musician. As much as I do music,
Yeah.
I like to call myself
A
an
fashion
artist.
stuff.
Yeah.
Feel me?
Get you.
It's just that, man. It's like people. Just that I have a different fashion sense. You feel me? I like putting things together. As much as at first it might not make sense to some people, but eventually, you feel me?
Yeah, that's
That's
nostalgia.
Yeah, you understand? So I'm like, I don't know, bruh. Cause like even if you can look at Abraham, you thought those brown kids, dog. It recode, it's on another level. Ne? But for me, I'm feeling like, hey, it's too American.
Oh, the West Side.
But I feel like it's good to create like your own style though.
Exactly. Hence, hey, I do a lot.
I like feel like these days we all look the same in the way we dress.
Yeah.
There's nobody that's like unique. So,
Yeah. So I want us to speak about trend, ne? And how social media influences it, especially to the youth.
Trend.
Yeah. Especially fashion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
On social media.
Influences. Because I might rock something now that you've never seen.
Yeah.
But if you can see it, Travis Scott rocking it. Like, it's the same thing, bro.
Yeah, okay, now I get you.
You feel me?
Now I get what you're cooking, my brother.
So I want us to unpack that, how it influences, or why do we feel like it has more power than maybe your friend maybe telling you or going to you about it, like telling you this is how it should be. But when it comes from a public figure, I think persuasion that comes from them is different than mine.
Yeah.
Just because maybe I'm not in the spotlight, I don't know.
I feel like that's also the reason why if you have like a brand, specific brand.
Yeah.
Because if you look properly, my brother, it's hard. There's a lot of local brands that don't make it out there. And they are not brands. I also have a brand,
You do?
Yeah, I saw it.
What's your brand?
Scott.
Oh, that's how you got the name.
So you sketch up all the designs and everything, but then that's why most brands, for brand ambassadors, you have to get someone.
Now what do you
who's
sell?
out
Like,
Yeah.
what is your brand about? Clothing?
there. Yeah.
Oh, you should show me some.
See, like brand ambassadors, mostly famous people or influencers. Yeah, well, because they know those people are already out there.
Correct.
Which is it's somehow wrong. Because even if the quality is not.
True.
I'm into brand as well.
Yeah, you said that.
See this one, it's just that I didn't wear my other piece.
Matching pants.
Yes.
So we're operating, man. So for me, the love of fashion.
Now I feel so unsuccessful. What the heck?
No, I'm inspiring you.
Hey, so
This is inspiration.
we
It's
are busy.
contagious. It's contagious. Don't worry. So as much as we're speaking about fashion,
Yeah.
so for me, fashion, fashion is not about what you wear. For me personally,
I feel like
fashion,
you're gonna say something cheesy now.
no, listen, fashion is
Yeah,
not
he's gonna say something cheesy.
no, fashion is not about what you wear. Fashion is about how you put everything together that you wear. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because or let me just put it like this. There's a difference between fashion and style. Because everyone wears clothes.
Yeah.
In their mind, they perceive it as fashion. It is fashion.
True.
Do you understand?
On fashion
But what is style? Most people don't know style.
Yeah, true.
They can't style it, you know. Style is how you put everything together.
Yeah.
You feel me? And it makes sense. And you're like,
You need.
just like I love being different, bro.
Yeah,
True.
that's good.
I don't like
Yeah, it's good.
looking the same, bro.
Now when you go to Groove now, you all look the same.
Yeah, man, I want people to look up to me at some point, you feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to be like that guy, man, you feel me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't look.
Yeah, because that's how people develop, like, how can I say, the trend.
Yeah.
They see like, oh, but this looks like the jorts.
Just.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the jorts.
That's how they started. People at first they were laughing at those.
Yeah.
Yes, you know.
Crocs as well.
Yeah,
Nobody
Crocs.
wants to
Yeah, now everyone's
Nobody
and those things they were there back then.
Yeah,
Joe.
exactly. I wonder if Tommy's is coming back.
Thomas.
Tommy's, you know.
Oh,
Yeah,
Tommy's.
Those slippers.
No, it's not slippers, it was like
Chinese
the
shoes,
sneakers. It was very flat to the ground, hey.
Fashion is crazy.
I had a black pair when I was small. What color did you have?
With Thomas.
Yeah.
I
I know.
Ah!
No, it's your Crocs.
Everybody had Tommy's.
Next to have Crocs, the white ones.
Yeah, I used to have bovas as well.
What's that?
Crocs. I'm a bova. Before they turned or they upgraded to
Yeah.
crocodile.
Now
They used to be a
something-
bova, those ones. We used to wear them a lot.
In fashion.
And then they found off that brand was like, nah, I'm taking these bovas, I'm putting a Lacoste at it. You see? Yeah, those bovas, we grew up wearing those things.
Bruh.
I grew up wearing those things.
The next thing.
Okay, did you have Tommy's?
No,
You didn't have Tommy's?
No.
Pure?
Also,
I didn't have
So my
Tommy's.
family just put me through a phase. Tommy's.
No. I didn't have Tommy's.
I can remember, I can remember, yeah. The entire family had a pair of Tommy's. My cousin always told me to prom. I'm not lying, yeah. A
they
blue
were nice
pair.
though. They were nice though.
Yeah, that at the time, but not now, not anymore.
Maybe they're gonna come back old.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Fashion is
wondering. Because
crazy.
like Crocs.
Also big pants. People used to have big pants and
Yeah.
what. Now fashion
Yeah.
is crazy.
Yeah, it changes. Like they're bringing back all the old stuff,
Yeah.
and that's what the Bible also says. Like it says, like
Jonesy.
what happened like back then is like happening again now.
Oh, it's in the Bible.
Yeah, it's in the Bible.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Which verse?
I'm not exactly sure which was. Yeah, sorry about that.
Speaking of the Bible, hey. Yeah, nah.
Yes, my brother. what is it?
So, what's your take, Vele, with Bible, Chief?
Me.
Yeah. What do you believe, Vele?
Why do you look so nervous?
I don't look nervous. My brother, you know this Bible conversations. It's confusing somehow.
Is it confusing?
Yeah, how is it confusing?
Like there are two sides of it. You know, sometimes
Yeah.
there's this other. I don't remember what I watched. It's what if Bible, it was written by a person or people back then to make people in the world to behave properly. Because if
To
Bible
create
wasn't
order.
there, yeah, to create order. Because if Bible wasn't there,
Mm.
how do you think the world was gonna be?
But also, as much as the Bible is there, ne? Yeah,
I believe. I'm not saying I don't believe. I'm just saying.
I'm not
believe.
saying I'm listening to what you're saying.
Yeah, cause like there are a lot of religions out there, but they have their own
True.
books as well.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean,
And
So
somehow it
true.
all coordinates, they try. Like each of the other religions has something about the Holy Bible.
Also,
What?
is it true, Sabani? They have their own gods.
Like,
yeah, apparently.
how do you mean?
Nah,
People-
explain. What?
What did you say?
Nah,
He's saying, he's asking actually, is
Yeah,
it true
question.
that other people have their own gods?
God.
Yeah, people create gods. Like sometimes we also create our own gods without even realizing it by idolizing things, people. Yeah, I would be like, no, nobody's supposed to touch my hoodie. Like, nah, I don't wear my hoodie. Like, I don't even wash this hoodie. Even with a person, like, we make so much of someone, we're idolizing them, and then we don't even realize that we are portraying them as our God.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying? Do you kind of get what I'm saying?
Yeah. I do.
Like, sometimes we idolize someone so much, like, we can't do
I
wrong
get
with
you.
it, yeah.
Yeah. To a point where if they tell you something or they'll make you believe in something even if it's not true.
Yeah.
Yeah. I get you.
Yeah, people.
Sorry, I get you.
Okay.
Because now I'm thinking about myself. Or if Travis Scott was like, this is the lane you should took, I'm gonna take that.
Oh, so you're reflecting on yourself.
Yeah, it's true, Joe. Like a lot of people have their own man-made gods. There's only one true God, Chief.
True.
But as much as in some cultures or nations, they might call him or refer to him different names in a way, right? But if that same God has something in common with the same God that's in the Bible, then it means that is the only true God. Why am I saying this now? The Bible, yes, it was written by scholars and researchers and all that. Listen, but that information, they took it from the old manuscripts, the Greek manuscripts,
Sure.
and then they translated it into, because if they were to give you a Greek Bible, you wouldn't understand. Right? So they had to translate it to make things easier for you to understand. As much as some might say the first translation was the King James. What I know, the first one is Geneva Bible.
Hey, my brother, you know the Bible?
Yeah, bro, you have to. Because sometimes if you'll be in a position of defending your faith, you must know your story.
True.
You must know your history, and also you must be able to come up with evidence outside from the Bible. Because someone who's maybe a Muslim might say, nah, dog, but my Quran says this. But what historical evidence will they bring to prove their claim, or if their text is really accurate and all of that? Do you understand?
It's valid.
So, it was written by people to make things easier for us to understand what it means to understand. So that's the whole thing. And also, as much as some people might disagree, I'll say this publicly. Jesus Christ is God.
The only one. Yeah, same.
And
don't attack him, guys.
Another thing, a lot of Christians, those ones who are outside of the Bible, we need to preach to them so that we bring them to the truth. Because you know what's happening? The false gods they are following are actually fallen angels.
Oh.
Yeah. Fallen angels. Do you understand? You remember, I once made an example. Where do how can a human being come up with something like a camera dog that can be able to capture you, record you? Like, do you understand? You no human can.
Some things,
do you understand?
So
it's spiritual. It's an inspiration from the spiritual realm.
Yeah, because why do you get that?
Hey,
how do you
think of that, bruh?
I'm gonna create this.
I'm
gonna do this and that and that and that. This will create that.
You feel me?
Yeah, it is confusing.
You can't.
And even the things inside a camera, where did they get those things? How did they create those things?
Wow, exactly. You see, it's spiritual. It's influence, bruh, from the spiritual realm. You feel me? So, what I'm saying is, as much as we are not judging anyone, they believe in what they believe, right? But what I'd like to share is that there is liberty, there is freedom in Christ Jesus. And also Christians who don't believe Jesus Christ is God, they need to do their research properly. Because there's a verse on John, if I'm not mistaken, I don't want to misquote it. John chapter 5, verse 24 or 3. Jesus said, if you do not believe that I am, you will die in your sins. And you will ask yourself, what does it mean, I am? Back in the days, God, like when God sent Moses, you know that story? Where God sent Moses to Pharaoh. Yeah. So Moses was like, so if you're sending me there, they will ask me, who sent me? Who should I say sent me? You know what God said to Moses? He said, you must tell them that I am who I am has sent you. Do you understand?
I am.
I am who I am has sent you.
Sure.
Do you understand? So now, come back to New Testament. That was Old Testament, okay? Now we come back to New Testament now. Ne? Now Jesus, I think, I don't know where he was, ne? But he said something, John 8:58, John chapter 8 verse 58. He said, before Abraham was, I am. Ne? You know what they did? They took stones, chief. You feel me? Now you'll ask yourself, Yawona if Ujuli was Buza now, why would they take stones from Shine House? Ne? They knew what he meant when he said, before Abraham was, I am. And then there's a passage in the Bible, I don't know where exactly, where it says, where Jesus asked, ne? Why are you
Yes. Do you get it?
I don't know what it means.
Why were they? Is it?
Why were they throwing stones?
Oh, is that what you
Why
mean?
were they?
Throwing stones.
Do you understand what is to prosecute? Ne?
Yeah.
They were prosecuting him, is it? Yeah. He was like, why are you doing that? They were like, we don't do that because of the good works that you do. But you being a man, make yourself God. That is why. And then he didn't deny.
Yeah.
As much as there are some passages where he was like, the Father is greater than I. Well, yes, the Father is greater than the Son. But it doesn't take, it doesn't remove the Son from the nature of God.
Yeah.
So that most people, they get it confused. They're like, but if he's God, who was he praying to in that mountain?
Yeah. There's always those questions.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Like, there's no way. The Father is greater than I. But Philip asked him a question. He said, Father, show us. He said, Rabbi, ne?
Yeah.
Show us the Father. That will be sufficient for us. He was like, how? I've been with you so long, yet you don't know me. Don't you know if you've seen me, you've seen the Father? What does that mean? You need to ask yourself, some of these topics you need the Holy Spirit to intervene for you to actually understand what it means. Because if you're just reading like a novel, you won't understand. If you've seen me, you've seen the Father. Me and the Father are one.
Yeah.
You see now? Then it gets confusing. But he was praying to the Father now. So what does he mean, he and the Father are one? Do you understand? Those are the things that most Christians struggle with. They can't really comprehend what the role of Christ actually. Do you understand? We do understand he came and died for our sins. For remission of sins. Right? But also, as much as he died, we need to understand who he was. In the beginning was the Word. And the Word was with God. And the Word was God. Verse 13, and the Word became flesh. Who was that Word?
Jesus.
If he is not God, then we surely shall die in our sins.
Yeah.
It's
only truth.
simple.
Fact.
And then you find black people or African people will be like, hi, that religion is not for us. They came here to do whatever they did sharp. Well, maybe their agenda wasn't, or how they approached us wasn't the proper way in a way, right? But what they gave us, the good news, Chief, it's what we should hold on to. We can't say the Bible is not for us, because God said you must go in all the nations preaching the gospel. What does it mean, all the nations?
Every single,
Zonkai.
everybody.
Zonkai.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
And Christianity is the only religion that brings people together. You are a sinner, you are what? You must come. Yes, you are. You feel me? I don't know about other religions, but there's a lot. I mean, this is what I know about the religion. It's not even a religion, it's a lifestyle.
And like, as soon as you mention the Jesus especially, then it's almost like people get defensive. That's how powerful that name alone is. Like people get so defensive when you're like Jesus. Like you just talk about him and then people get so defensive.
Correct.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Christ.
Yeah.
Jesus is God.
Yeah.
Jesus is
Lord
God,
and
man.
Savior, the only one.
Yeah, Jesus is too much.
Eloi.
When I was young, I didn't understand that code.
Mm.
Because I used to go to this church.
Yeah.
Let me not mention the name.
Yeah, don't.
But this church. So the t-shirt is now there, my brother. And the back there written, "Oh, Jesus is God." I was so confused.
Because Jesus is supposed to be the Son of God.
Jesus is God. Now okay.
You feel
Yeah.
me? Yo, God is too much, man. God is too much. It's yeah.
And like everybody, I feel like every single one had an encounter with him somehow, some way. Because when you're in trouble, you don't believe. You're like, God, please help me now.
Yes.
Let's be real. You might not believe.
But
you might not believe. I've met so many people, they don't believe there, but when they're in that situation where it's
God.
please help me, Lord, please help me. Yeah.
I'm not a believer, but yeah. I've heard that.
Yeah.
Crazy. My brother should be a pastor also, no?
Hey, bro, yeah. I think God has called me for something greater.
When you're performing also there, you should be like, DJ, God is the king.
Yeah, that's what I was
Something you
thinking.
say. Yeah.
I think the reason why God
Take an altar.
is taking me this direction that I'm in now, which is music also. I
Yeah.
think it's for that reason.
It's also
Because
spread.
when I reach maybe that breaking point in this music thing, then obviously I'll be famous and get.
Yes, yes, my
then-
brother.
Don't forget
So I'll
that.
be able to preach.
True.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Through your music.
Exactly.
And
Yeah.
be able
I
to
think-
reach larger audience.
Yeah, because initially
And
when I
like
started
music
doing this-
heals the soul. Like
Exactly.
it does.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Because like if you're in a mood, like our English teacher explained this, né? Like if you're in a sad mood, you're not gonna listen to happy music, upbeat music.
Yeah, heartbreak.
You're gonna listen to something that it drenches the heart. Yeah, and if you're happy, you're not gonna listen to sad music. Okay, some people do that to make them feel
Yeah.
some type of way.
Yeah. After heartbreak, it's very true.
Make sure.
I realized there's some songs saying.
Trauma.
And now when you listen to these songs, it's as if you wanna cry now.
Oh,
And not
so,
just pressurize, with smile, I wanna cry now.
so
It's like the background music makes you cry.
So what?
The background music, if you play music.
It's true. Then now you think and then you miss the
Hey, and then you think about everything that happened.
So you've been heartbroken, my guy.
It's my brother. My brother.
Woman.
Even this year, my brother now.
This year?
Yeah, it's
What do you
my
mean by
brother.
that statement?
At school.
Hey Joe, nah, she's not from here.
Oh.
That's why I mean I'm not busy with no girls, my brother. If you check properly, I just look and compliment and then I don't approach. Oh, no, that's my friend. That one.
I won't say anything.
Is it your friend?
That one.
Yeah.
She's my friend.
Oh, friends,
Jenny.
don't look at friends that way. You know that song.
Friend. Okay,
You
she's
know-
my home girl. She's a family friend. You don't believe me?
No, I meant like you guys met like that day.
But I think we're really having, like, you see this thing of heartbreak, ne?
Yeah,
I think we are going through a lot, man.
it's true.
Because now, like, I don't know how to put it, ne? But I think maybe our intentions are not mutual. Like, you might find someone ne, that you find attractive, right? Your intentions about her is to build something.
Yeah,
Do you understand?
I get.
Maybe from their side, they just.
I feel like you're mixing the roles here. I feel like you're mixing you're switching
No.
the roles. Nah.
No, my second, did you see? My second.
It's cooking, it's bad.
No, it's not. what? Wait, I want to know what you mean with that.
You defend yourself. You defend your statement.
Yeah.
I'm defending myself.
You
Like, I'm
will.
not talking about
You
other
will.
women. Like, I'm
I
talking
mean, like,
about.
you also-
Okay.
Okay. What was I saying?
Wait, you said he said that he experienced heartbreak, and then you like, "I woman." What do you mean by that?
Me?
Yeah.
But come on.
Woman.
Think about it. Where would his
What if he was the problem?
Wait, where would his heartbreak come from?
It could be a man.
What?
No. No, it's not that.
It's obviously a woman.
But these days women are worse. Yo,
True.
It's woman.
yo, you know.
Not all though.
Yeah, not all. Yeah.
Like, look at
Not
me.
all.
Hey,
Why are you saying that?
You don't know.
You don't
know.
I will never know, chief.
But women,
Women,
bruh. And it's worse. These
Yo.
days, Karen, these
You
days
know that
so-
quote that says, "You attract what you are."
Aye,
I
Marai.
don't believe in that, bro.
Nah.
You
I just-
attract what you are. Nah.
I just believe in karma. You see, karma is real.
Nah.
You attract what you are.
I don't believe. It's not easy. That one.
Me, I don't want to fall in love anymore.
No.
Now I just want to focus on making money.
Now falling in love, dog, it's
Problem, you don't plan that shit, Joe.
yeah, you don't plan it. You really don't plan it. But love is something, dog.
It is nice, but it is nice. You know, sometimes being in love, it is
it's
nice.
nice.
It is.
Think about
It
love a
is.
second.
Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not easily angered. Yeah.
That is love.
God is love.
God is love.
God is love.
Yes.
That's what the Bible says. They are one. God and love cannot be separated.
That's true.
So if you don't know God, then how can you love? Because then you don't know love.
God is.
And yeah, because that's what He is, love.
Yeah, just love God.
So what would you say it's the right time to actually maybe find someone or have someone in your life?
How do you mean? You
Like-
mean me specifically?
Yes.
I don't know, like, I told you I'm gonna wait till I'm 21, that's what I told you.
This one, 21.
Yeah, but like, I don't know, I feel like you'll just know. You get me? You'll just know. Nah, God, you
just
said
know.
this, you know, you'll just know. I feel like I would just know.
Yeah.
I would just get that.
And those were, yeah, just,
I'll just know.
21.
Yeah, 21.
People. Sure. Modimo.
So you think that's the right time
Like,
for you to actually find someone?
21.
Yes.
I feel like I need to be, like I told you, like, I need to become stable myself. Like, I don't want to depend on a man, you get me? Like, I want to be, like, I mean, not financially, like, stable only, but like, but I mean like that, I don't want to depend on you. Okay, don't attack me.
Nah,
Yeah.
we
You what? You being chill?
That point.
Oh, I thought you were going to say it because that wasn't chill.
Now we had that one.
Yeah,
Sure.
like, but I also want to be like emotionally stable, you get me? Because I'm like extremely sensitive. Hey, one word and then I'm crying.
Nah,
Yeah,
I thought you kill people. Didn't you say now? Are you sensitive?
I'm sensitive, I'm just a baby, guys.
No.
Once again.
Stop doing that!
Yeah. Love is a beautiful thing. Sure.
Yeah, it is.
It's just that if the same love is not reciprocated, then it becomes a problem. Sure.
It's far.
Because now you end up wondering if should you continue building or should you continue investing.
Like
in
I always
this?
see these TikToks now that say, take the guy that likes you and not the guy that you like. What? I mean that, no, what?
What?
How
The
can
guy
you
that
all
likes
like?
you and the guy that you like.
No, take the guy that likes you and not the guy that you like.
Oh.
Because the guy that likes you will treat you better than the guy that
You
you
like.
like.
But now it's tough.
But now, like,
The thing is-
he's the only one, like,
The thing is, even to us, guys, man, that same saying goes. Do you feel me?
But
Go to the woman who loves you more than you love her.
yeah.
Not the one you love more. Do you understand?
who do you think should give the most effort in a relationship?
What?
Should give more effort.
Yeah, in the like, the most, like,
I didn't catch that.
like in a relationship between a man and
Yeah.
a woman. Who do you think should be the one giving the most effort? Like you said.
No.
I know
Both of
you
us.
talked about, huh?
Both.
Yeah, I get it, but what if she's at like 20%? Will you be able to
Yeah.
give your 80%?
No.
I and I, no, Baba.
No.
80.
You can't be with someone who's not sure, Chief.
Hey, Baba.
She needs to be sure.
Sure.
Thank you.
Before we
And
start
trust.
being in a relationship, you must be sure you want this thing.
Mm.
If you don't want it,
No, you don't understand
Just
what I
be
mean.
friends.
what do you
Like,
mean?
you know, you being in a relationship with someone, it's 50-50, right?
Yeah.
But now this one day comes, she's probably emotionally drained.
Yo.
She doesn't feel like texting back, she doesn't feel like meeting up. Her battery is low,
Wait.
her social battery.
Yeah.
Will you be able to give the 80% when she's only at 20% effort?
You can change that. If
Okay, speak.
if you love her that much and you understand the past or the things that you went through,
Yeah.
you can try.
But you say you won't be able to give the 80% like normally. Like,
I mean, I can try
Yeah.
and see.
What
and
happens?
see.
Because if she tells them about her past relationships and things, and then I
You might get
understand
jealous. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so you will get jealous. Like, would the past affect your current relationship?
Would I get jealous?
Yeah.
I'm not a jealous person.
You just said you, hey, this guy.
Hey, Chief, jealousy comes, Chief. Especially
Yeah,
when
you.
you're really in love. It's
These guys
it's
started talking
bound,
about the
bound.
things I went through. And now I'm
Yeah, jealousy, bro. It happens naturally.
yeah, some things.
If you love someone, it comes naturally.
Yeah.
But if you don't love them,
You don't
you
give
don't
them
care,
that.
Joe. You don't care, you're like, it's fine. Eh. But if you do love
So
them,
she cared.
it comes true.
Oh.
I speak about it.
So she cared. How do you feel about long distance relationships? Now you're here now and then she's back home now.
No, Chief.
It's not gonna work.
Don't work.
It's vara, that shit never works.
Don't
Me now,
Someone is showering that side. So when you be like, stand aside me, I'll come.
yeah.
I feel like it could work, because listen to my point.
No.
You have siblings, right?
What?
Siblings.
Yes.
You are here, ne? You live all the way there. I'm not gonna say where you live, I don't want to disclose that.
It's fine, you can tell them I'm from Portugal, yeah, it's fine.
You can tell them it's fine.
Yeah, Portugal. Listen to this nonsense.
Yeah,
You're still in contact with your siblings, right?
yes.
Exactly. Your relationship is still good, right?
But it's not
Aye.
strong though. Sibling.
Aye.
It's,
Really?
Yeah, I know.
That's
It's not
why
the same
age.
thing, I know, but like,
yeah, it's not.
if your relationship can still stand with your family, why can't it stand with your...
Aye.
Because remember, what do you say? Like, what do you say when you're in the relationship? Your girlfriend or your wife or your boyfriend or your husband
Babe.
becomes your family. So,
Nah,
Aye.
beg,
Hey,
don't
Baba.
work. Long distance.
I feel like the reason you guys are saying that is because your attention is getting, you know, yeah,
Getting
captured.
what?
Yeah, you're like, I'm missing out, yeah.
Nah, that's not
man.
entirely true. though.
You being here, you can be loyal, Mariah, and that. Because also,
They
also
trust.
Yeah.
Exactly, then you should be able to
If she
trust.
doesn't trust you.
And so it's just about her you're not trusting, so you are
Hey,
fully on
it's-
trusting her.
It's not
If
easy.
she doesn't trust you, and also if you but sometimes even if you do trust the person, bruh,
But I wouldn't recommend a long distance.
long distance, that shit is fucked
I don't
up.
recommend dating, guys.
You what?
I don't recommend dating.
Why?
Why would you date someone?
Because you love them.
Now why don't you marry them?
Yeah,
You love
really.
them.
Pella, you can't
You
just
will,
marry someone.
and then you
I feel like if
Listen,
you know, I
listen.
feel like if you know, you know. Yeah, if you know.
Oh, you'll never
You
You
can
know.
go
know, because
wrong.
you're being in a relationship, then you call her my wife. Hey, red flag.
No, it's not a
Red flag.
Aibo.
Hey, there's no ring.
Let me tell you something.
Now the baller was
Let me tell you
paid.
something. It's only fair for you to date that person for. Do you feel me?
Nah,
Wait.
I'm not feeling this. What do you mean?
Oh my god.
Let me elaborate.
Okay.
Listen, ne? It's only fair for you to date that person first. Ne? You get to know them, their bedside.
Then
their
be
bedside.
friends and
Wait.
get to know me. Be my friend and get to know me.
No.
No,
Listen.
Be my friend and
Yeah,
get
in
to
a
know
relationship, you can be a friend also.
Yeah.
me.
You don't
No,
understand.
Yes.
No, like for real.
no.
You
It's
can
bad.
be
If
in
you
love
want
with someone and
me,
still
marry
be
me.
friends. See,
Why are you dating me if you know that I'm not the one?
what do you mean now?
Don't you get it?
It doesn't make sense.
It makes
How will
sense.
you know you are
You know we are friends.
No.
We are friends.
Aye.
We're either friends or we're getting married. You're either my husband or my friend. What is a boyfriend? A friend. You hear that part? Friend.
Yeah.
Just dating is
It's
makes
what?
you blind. You think you are dating, that's your friend. Girlfriend.
You're building.
Boyfriend. You get me?
They're dating, bro.
Dating.
Yes.
Yeah, you call it mojolo. Am I saying it right?
Yeah, Joe.
Mojolo.
Joe.
Mojolo, mojolo.
Baby skies.
What?
So,
Yeah, since they're a child. See, let's set it up.
oh,
And
gosh.
we're still
Oh.
exercising, yeah, scratching our muscles.
Ish.
So, yeah.
German.
What? Yes, I go to class now, ne? Shame.
I think the people were making us
Hey.
guys.
Yeah.
See you guys. Ish. I was enjoying the topic. Now we have to continue with this one. You.
Yeah.
You don't agree with me?
And this was just an intro, getting settled in this thing.
Lantol.
It's just freestyle. We were freestyling today, but we'll get deep. Get deep as time goes on.
It's
So
var.
yeah, thank you for the time.
That's the only Afrikaans that I ever heard you say. That's var.
It's very-
It's var.
That's var.
Talk to the people.
Yeah.
Ja, sien maar vir julle here nog 'n mooi dag hê. Geniet dit. Because they were
Yes.
talking their language and I didn't understand, guys.
Siyabonga.
They didn't accommodate me.
Goeiedag.
It's no bad.
Siyabonga. Ek is baie dankie daar klein te maak.
Sala Sinhle.
Yeah. Spawner of course.
See you guys on another episode VSOP Vibescape Origin Podcast. No topic is off.
Topic.
How? No topic is off.
Topic.
Yes. VSOP Vibescape Origin Podcast. It's a boy Scott.
Boom!
Bam! What boom? Bam!
What? Bam!
Bam!
I feel like boom is cooler.
Bam! Oh, suma matot. Ow! Oh, hey! Oh, matot.
I'm not, I don't know what he's
It's
doing.
fine, it's fine.
First one hit. Hey! Where's Adam?
No!
Hey, man! Hey, yeah, no.
Guys like my hairstyle.